It fits.
It fits or it doesn't fit?
It fits.
It was loose, wasn't it? See if you can turn it. Turning it. It's probably metric. But yes. Here, let me have it.
Yeah, we're selling this. Comment down below what you think.
Probably that one right there.
Maybe.
No. So
I need to find some more grips.
that's a 14. Try this one.
I wish I knew the sun. Yeah.
You better get around the other side to do that now. I'm telling you, the pipe's gonna get you. The exhaust's gonna get you.
Yeah. I don't want to get burnt today. I'm tired of it.
Go around the other side.
We're gonna have to check the door.
Take the top off of it. Just lay it there on the board.
It's black. Alright. Now my clean it.
Just lay it there on the board. We'll clean it in a minute.
Oh God.
You can't do that with the phone in your hand.
I know.
Well, put the phone up. Colton, somebody's already done this. Because you've already looked at it on YouTube. You've already looked at it on YouTube.
No.
You're going to get oil all over that phone. Move the can out of your way until you get it loose.
I have to lose it right tight, right? Okay. Wait. Sorry, guys.
Which one are you turning? You're tightening it.
My name is Kathy Mercola, firefighter from Atlanta, Georgia, reminding you that now a portion of every single
Pull it to you to loosen it.
goes towards providing life-saving equipment for first responders.
All right, get your can under it.
Founded by Firehouse of America will donate 0.13% of your purchases in 2017 at all U.S. locations to the Firehouse Subs Public Safety Foundation with a minimum donation of $1 million. For full details, visit firehousesubs.com.
Well, the on-time experts rejuvenate your AC. It's the real deal. Your AC will have no breakdowns for 6 months. Guaranteed.
Here.
Call the on-time experts. 267-2007.
Don't wipe it yet. I want to see it. Let me see it. The end of this is a magnet. Yeah. Was a magnet. Hey, let me see your rag.
Give me a couple
Wipe
more.
your hands off.
I need a couple more.
Let it drip. Set it down, let it drip.
Jerry has an important decision to make. Go to the emergency room and waste time with an ER doctor who will tell him, yep, Jerry, your arm is broken. Then he'll tell Jerry to make another appointment with an orthopedic specialist outside the emergency room and be sent on his way with a still broken arm along with a very costly emergency room bill. Or he could avoid all that and head to direct orthopedic care or Doc. At Doc, we are the orthopedic specialists. Open 7 days a week. At Doc, you avoid the ER middleman and you're treated exclusively by orthopedic experts. Experts like the ER is referred to, only without the waste of time or an expensive ER bill. Got a break, a fracture, or just avoid the emergency room. Go direct. Direct orthopedic care. Doc. Specialist skills without the high bill. Doc. Open 7 days a week on North O'Connor Road in Las Colinas. Or visit directorthocare.com. Alan Samuels Direct. Listen to our customers. You are looking for something to start here. If you can search every manufacturer, every make model car, and there is nowhere else that I would consider looking.
We did everything online. I did it all by phone, all by text. The 30-day guarantee is phenomenal. Everybody was just so helpful and so nice and friendly.
AlanSamuelsDirect.com, the new way to buy cars. AlanSamuelsDirect.com. AlanSamuelsDirect.com.
Cool. Buddy, why don't you just shit in the walkway?
We're independent and determined. Gentle and fearless. We're caring and courageous. Texas women are unstoppable. There's a healthcare resource made just for us.
Alright, put the cork back in it.
Take charge of your health, like you take charge of your life. Visit HealthyTexasWomen.org today.
Introducing the PenFed Power Cash Rewards Visa Signature Card from PenFed Credit Union. Earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases. That's everything, everywhere, for everyone. There are no restrictions, no caps, and no gimmicks. It's easy to apply and no military service is required. Apply today.
Take the ring and mop up that mess.
Remember, PenFed, federally insured by NCUA.
New Bear Advanced Triple Action Lawn Fertilizer. Feature lawn on all 3 levels. Grassroots and soil. Triple Action Lawn Fertilizer is available only at the Home Depot. Or from the blue bag.
Don't fake it out, put it in. Get it tight.
I think that's tight.
Yeah, wipe up your mess.
We're not tight enough. Oh, yeah, it's tight.
Don't smear it, wipe it up. Here, wipe up back here.
Right there?
Yeah, right back here.
there's stuff in it.
Look at there's stuff in it.
There's stuff in it that is not good. It's like a little piece of metal. Look. That good?
So there's 1030.
It says on the bike.
That's 1040.